Welcome now to the second module of the World 1 course, From the Big Bang to Conscious Humans. This module is about exploring and discovering the evolutionary patterns in physical and biological systems. And you are going to be invited now to begin this in-depth exploration now that you've had a chance in Module 1 to look at some of the framings, what we talked about as paradigms, these framings of how to look at and make sense of the world around us. And we're going to go back and really have a look at where things began with a history of the entire universe from the last Big Bang to today. And as you explore our creative cosmos, we're hoping that you're going to engage in a search for patterns. Look at how these systems that have come into being demonstrate characteristics of self-organization, emergence, creativity, and consciousness. And so you see how these kind of characteristics pervade everything in the universe. You're going to do this by looking also at quantum physics and also at field theory in order to appreciate the deeper underlying patterns at the heart of the universe. And then toward the end of this module, you're going to turn towards the principles of life, and you're going to consider how from single cellular beings to multicellular organisms, how life really is truly expressing this creative expression of the universe, this creative urge, if you will. So the module is going to end with a look at the human brain and considerations of the way in which our brains have evolved and how their structures influence thought. Now this is going to be particularly important because we're going to look at the way in which we perceive and how even the structures, our physiognomy and our neurophysiology in particular, shape and condition, and in interaction with our culture, which is going to be all of World 2, we're going to be looking at now how these framings allow us to make sense of our world in very particular ways. Wonderful. Enjoy the course.